To connect GoDaddy hosting to another domain, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to the Hosting Manager section. Here you will see a list of your current hosting plans. Click on the Manage button next to the plan you want to connect to another domain. In the Hosting Manager, click on the Settings tab and then click on the Domains tab. This will bring up a list of your current domains. Click on the Add Domain button to connect a new domain. Enter the new domain name you want to connect and select the type of domain you want to add. Either a primary domain, alias domain, or subdomain. Once you have added the new domain, you will need to update the DNS settings to point to your GoDaddy hosting. You can do this by clicking on the DNS tab and then clicking on the Add Record button. Select the type of record you want to add, either an A record or a CNAME record, and enter the required information. For an A record, you will need to enter the IP address of your GoDaddy hosting, which can be found in the Hosting Manager under the Settings tab. For a CNAME record, you will need to enter the host name of your GoDaddy hosting, which can also be found in the Hosting Manager under the Settings tab. After updating the DNS settings, it may take some time for the changes to propagate, usually around 24 to 48 hours. During this time, you may experience some downtime or issues with your website. To minimize downtime, you can set up a temporary redirect from your old domain to your new domain. To set up a redirect, log into your GoDaddy hosting account and navigate to the File Manager. Create a new file called index.html and add a meta redirect tag to the file, pointing to your new domain. Upload the file to the root directory of your old domain and test the redirect to make sure it is working correctly. Once the DNS changes have propagated and the redirect is in place, your new domain should be connected to your GoDaddy hosting and your website should be live. Make sure to test your website thoroughly to ensure that everything is working correctly and make any necessary adjustments to your DNS settings or website configuration. By following these steps, you should be able to connect your GoDaddy hosting to another domain quickly and easily. Remember to always update your DNS settings carefully and test your website thoroughly to avoid any issues or downtime.